pendulum of time is swinging away. It never misses a beat. It is always on time. It is punctual. It is secure. And it is true. That is what we have to be. True to our path and true to the life that we're going after. And there's going to be moments where things are shaky and we're not certain of our next path and our next move. You don't have to be certain to move forward. With each step you gain a certain certainty and a certain confidence where you can do exactly what you were meant to do. Your purpose to live fully and to experience the world for what it is and the beauty that it has to show and offer is right before you. You have to proceed to the life you want, going forward and paying attention to the moments that you were given, the blessings in disguise, and all the great memories along the way. Because as we're going to realize that this journey is more than just a passing glance. You have the power to create a legacy that everyone can experience and benefit from. You have the power to create something wonderful in your life. Have you done that yet? It is there waiting for you. That opportunity, that chance, and that life. It wants you to get there. It needs you to get there. There is something that only you can do in this life. You may not know what that is right now, but you have to start to go down that journey, that road, and proceed to the life that was laid out in front of you. Because wonderful things can happen. And it is up to you to determine what you want out of life and what you will get out of life. Proceeding to the good life is just a step at a time. And while you're on that journey and on that road, smile at the person you're going to become. And on that procession down the road to the future, we leave the past behind and we live in the present. And you can look back at how far you've come, and you can look back at all the challenges you have overcome, but do not look back and be afraid of all your mistakes. Do not look back and look at your regrets. Look back and smile, because that is what is pushing you forward. There is so much going on at any given time, and that path and that journey we're on is leading us to our most desired life. That path and that focus is leading us to a life we dream of. And paying attention to what we put out in this world and in our life, we can start to proceed to be the people we were always meant to be. Because life, it should be good.